Most Americans are aware of STDs, sexually transmitted diseases, and where to get tested for STD home, but many people may underestimate their own risk and delay getting themselves tested for STDs. One of the most important STDs to test for is HIV. HIV is the virus that causes AIDS, a life-threatening disease. The earlier a person becomes aware that they have AIDS, the earlier they will be able to seek treatment which could prolong their life. It is also crucial to be aware of where to get tested for STD home. Anonymous confidential HIV testing is offered in Illinois and many other states. There are a variety of HIV tests. The quickest test, which looks for HIV in a person's blood, must be confirmed with a second test to avoid giving the person a false positive result. Chlamydia is another important STD to test for, especially in sexually active women. This is because chlamydia, if not treated with antibiotics, can lead to pelvic inflammatory disease, a chronic medical condition that many young women experience and can produce severe abdominal pain as well as infertility. In addition to where to get tested for STD home, the young woman who tests positive for chlamydia should have her boyfriend tested for this STD as well. Otherwise, he could easily reinfect her after she has completed her antibiotic treatment. Genital herpes is a viral STD which can cause a person to develop recurrent genital herpes sores in their pelvic region. It is most commonly caused by herpes simplex virus type 2. Testing for genital herpes can be done at an STD clinic, and treatment for genital herpes can decrease the number of flares that a person experiences. Currently there is no complete cure for genital herpes, but it helps to be knowledgeable on where to get tested for STD home. Syphilis, once a major STD concern in the United States before antibiotics, has now become a major public health problem once again. Syphilis can be treated and cured with antibiotics. However, untreated syphilis can cause a person to develop dementia, heart disease, or neurologic disorders and can potentially lead to death. Testing for syphilis is strongly recommended for people who have been exposed to others who have syphilis or in any person who has a history of STDs. Gonorrhea is another sexually transmitted disease that is important to test for. Like chlamydia, it is a bacteria that can lead to pelvic inflammatory disease in women. It can also rarely cause an inflammatory type of arthritis, skin lesions, and even death. This disease can be treated with antibiotics, like with chlamydia, and can be cured. So please take the time to understand where to get tested for STD home. Genital warts is another example of an STD. It is caused by the HPV virus. Genital warts are fleshy-like warts located near the genitals, and currently there is no cure. However, they may be removed in a doctor's office. With all these various diseases, it is absolutely crucial to have regular STD testing when sexually active. Not only are these tests important to your own health, but also to that of your partners. Staying up to date and knowledgeable on where to get tested for STD home can help you when it comes to this subject.
Clear on my white t-shirt.